Today we will see Fiat 500 car manufacturing at Toluca assembly plant, Mexico. Manufacturing starts by cutting the metal in pieces according to the body parts. Now the metal sheets are installed in their places. After that, these parts are stored and then sent for further assembly. Next, the parts are sent to the body shop. Multiple robots spot weld the body parts. The doors, front hood, and tailgate are attached with the body. The body is cleaned before painting. Now various points of the car are inspected. The roof and dashboard are added to the car. Now the most important parts of the engine are installed, then it is attached with the car body. The front bumper is installed in the body. The wheels are added to the car and placed by the machine. Now the comfortable seats are installed. Fiat company logo is placed on the tailgate. Then the front and rear windshield are installed. The suspension of the car is tested by vibration. Then the car is tested by a dynamometer. After that, the car is inspected for various shock conditions. The car is washed and tested with high-pressure water. Before the delivery to the customer, the car is tested on actual road conditions.